Welcome guys to Trevlyn GH. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Linda.
Welcome once again, and we're here right now in Abelemkpe. And before we go into it, guys, if you didn't know, Trevlyn Properties GH is a real estate company who specialize in sales, rentals, and land acquisitions. So if you're ever looking for a property, don't forget to look at the details below and register, okay? On that note, guys, let's get into this. We are in a place called Abelemkpe.
I don't think I can pronounce that, Trev.
I know. So we're gonna say very close to Joe Wulu. A location very close to Joe Wulu,
okay.
In between Joe Wulu and, of course, Achimota. Now, everybody knows Achimota because of the Achimota School. That is a school that most of the politicians in Ghana pretty much attended. I'm not necessarily saying you, but most. On that note, guys, where we are is very peaceful.
Yes.
Very quiet, very serene. We're on the top floor of a penthouse, which we're about to show you. Now, this penthouse, it has 450 square meters of space, 150 square meters of terrace space.
Wow.
You have a lovely swimming pool, a bar, and you get really nice breeze. Not only that, guys, but the area is so serene. When I'm saying serene, if you look around here, it's green. You've got tree-lined roads. The roads are done. So they're not dusted roads. These are tarred roads with spaces in between it. So having said that, guys, let's not waste any more time. Let's head inside and have a look and see what this has to offer.
Shall we?
Come on in. Now, before you enter this place, what you're gonna notice are the real distinguished features on this door. This door has been done with quality, chromed out, security locks, amazing. So if you're on this floor, you will know that you are in a very safe and secure accommodation right here.
Okay.
We are actually on the 4th floor, and this penthouse is split between the 4th floor and the 5th floor, giving you very good views, unobstructed views. Now, having said that, when you enter, you've got a really good space, foyer here, you've got a guest washroom right here, and then you come into this open, double volume space.
Look how high
floor
this
to
is.
ceiling, windows, and you can see all of this of Accra and beyond, and it's just wonderful, Linda, wonderful.
Oh my gosh, I love this space.
Look at this.
You get so much light, it's so bright. It's nice and bright, which sometimes you don't get in some of the properties.
Look at this.
They can be a bit dull. So this is lovely, nice and bright, airy, welcoming.
That's it, Lynn. And look at this. Have you seen where you can hang your chandeliers right here all the way down? You've got your spotlights all the way through. This is your living area, or your hallway as it was called in Ghana. Not only that, you've got over here your dining area, which of course you'll be able to see how to design it. Again, you've got floor to ceiling windows, allowing very good natural light to come in here, which is fantastic. You have your ACs, you have your plug sockets all around and everything. Again, you'll be able to have your, of course, your chandelier hanging over your dining table right here with the family enjoying a good meal.
I like the tiles. I was just looking at the tiles when you were talking then.
Very lovely tiles. These are all Spanish porcelain tiles.
Oh, wow.
And they're like literally 100 by 100.
They're big size
Very
tiles.
good sizes, very good quality, and so forth. Now let's just head outside quickly before we head upstairs and show you what other features you have.
Look
Your
at
own
this.
private terrace.
Wow, imagine the
150
barbecues.
square meters of space like this.
150.
150 square meters.
Wow.
You can literally play football up here.
Well, I wouldn't advise that actually.
But look at this.
Oh,
On a nice day, have a nice barbecue, have a guest round, family around, have a good party. If you fancy entertaining, friends, dining, you know, wine, cheese boards, that sort of thing, Lynn, this could be one of those.
Or kenke and tilapia.
Or banku and tilapia. You can try that one too.
I like
I do like it, all right? So yes, let's head back in. But do you know what? Before we head back in, have a look at these features right here. These are all
that's nice.
GFRC, which is the glass reinforced concrete, all done floor to ceiling, and it's lovely. When you look at it, self-cleaning windows as well.
Really?
So yeah, really
and
nice
the
features.
views
The views are amazing.
are amazing. The views that you get, you see the tops of the trees.
You know, you've got really nice landscape, panoramic views, nice landscapes. You've got tree-lined roads, nice large trees over here. And it's a really quiet and secure environment. I just feel really safe, nothing to worry about. But having said that, this development does come with 24-hour security. Okay. You do have a lift in the development. You also have a gym over here and a lovely swimming pool, which of course you will see. Now let's have a look at one of the bedrooms over here. On the ground floor of this penthouse, we have an area here which can be used either as a bedroom or as a study.
Yeah, a study would be good, I think.
It would be indeed. Over here will be where the kitchen would be. So this is a good sized kitchen. I mean, if you stand and I stand here, and the good thing about this kitchen and the reason why it hasn't been fitted as yet is because we're waiting for someone like you to decide what colors, what cabinets, what features you'd like, and it will be tailored and fitted in for you specifically, okay? But in the meantime, we'll show you what it would look like, okay?
And one thing I did notice, almost missed it there was a terrace, a little balcony around outside the kitchen.
Of the kitchen. Let's have a look at that one.
Almost missed that, tucked away.
Tucked away is this lovely little terrace area. So if you fancy taking a little break over here, you can have a break here and have views of the football pitch. And there's a community football pitch.
Oh, wow.
And it's very, very nice. So let's head back in. Now this, I love these features, Lynn. Ladies first, and let's just see.
It lights up.
Oh, it lights up to heaven. Ooh. Stairwell to heaven. And I follow the young lady here. So with this, you've got really nice bars here, secure, reinforced bars, lovely staircase. So let's start off over here. So you have bedroom 3 right here, which has its own ensuite shower room. Over here, decent size. Put your bed right here, side tables, put your TV up on the wall right there.
And the wardrobe.
AC over there, wardrobe on the side here, which is great. So this is bedroom 3.
I like the colours of the washroom. The tile colours they've chosen are quite nice too.
Absolutely. And then you come to bedroom number 2. Again, very similar to bedroom number 3. They're all good sizes. You have a balcony on this one though, which is really good. And you can see the swimming pool there. So right now we're on a duplex level, which is the top floor. And right this place here is the family area. So here,
nice, very nice.
You can just be chilling, relaxing, and it's very nice. Tiling is very neutral, walls are very neutral. So if you wanted to add your own stamp to it, very easy to do so.
Yes, I like the choice of tiles here.
It's
definitely
really
my
nice.
style. I guess you can use it as a games room as well.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. So the kids want to play around. This is somewhere they can play and chill. It's really nice.
Yes, very.
So let's enter into the primary.
Ooh.
Ladies.
Thank you.
I love this door. Just love the panels on the door.
Oh, yeah,
very
nice.
good quality. Gives it that touch of panache. A little luxury there. When you head into this lovely primary bedroom, you've got an AC here. You've got luxury floor to ceilings windows. Now this ceilings literally start from the ground downstairs all the way upstairs and doesn't stop.
Okay.
So you've got this lovely feature here. You'll be able to stand here and just look outside and see how good this place is, safe and so forth.
I've just noticed that, as you mentioned, the glass, the windows go all the way up, so it's a continuous...
It's a continuous level, all the way from the ground floor is in regards to the duplex apartment, all the way to the top floor.
Wow.
It's really nice, really, really nice. The other feature that you've got to know, guys, is that you're literally 15 minutes away from Kotoka International Airport, from Nyaho Clinic, 10 minutes from Achimota, all the real locations that you're looking for, cantonments, 10 minutes, Laboni, 15 minutes or so, all within close proximity to this area and beyond. So very, very good.
Good location.
Let's have a look at the ensuite, Lynn.
Ooh.
So tell me, Lynn, what do you think about this ensuite?
I love it. I love the decor, the neutral tiles, this marble effect, and they've used these pricier, larger tiles on the wall and on the ground as well.
Very nice.
Yeah, I like that. You've got the WC, I guess.
Yeah.
Sink, always important to have extra storage, I say.
That's it.
And a good sized shower.
That's it.
Yeah, I like that. And again, the spotlights, keeping it nice and modern.
Very nice and fresh.
Do you like it?
I do really like this. Now, for the person that is literally going to be interested in this property, Maybe you're an investor. Maybe you're someone that flies in, you've got your family around this area and you want to move back into the location, but you're looking for something more modern, more artistic, has a bit more character. This could be it. Something that's outstanding. And this is the type of home that you want to say, I moved back to Ghana and I'm in Ghana right now. Or I just need something fresh, something new, something that just says, wow.
I was going to say that it has like a wow factor in this place.
Know?
Yeah, very unique.
Absolutely. Yeah. With that said, guys, let's go and check out the amenities. Over here, you have a gym. Okay, you have parking spaces, as we mentioned previously. Like all the locations, it's one of the most peaceful areas you're going to get in this area. So not too far from Jogulu, next to Achimota, in a place called Abelemkpe. Look it up, guys. 15 or so minutes away from everything, and I mean everything, more or less. So guys, without further ado, we're going to sign out here.
Right, I've really enjoyed this tour. Thank you, Trevor.
No problem at all, Linda.
Huge duplex, what's it? Penthouse.
Yes.
Or mansion in Abelemkpe.
Yes.
Feel free to correct me if my pronunciation is.
Abelemkpe, that's right.
Thank you. Well, we're Trevlyn, Ghana again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Contact details are below in the description box. Until next time.
Take care of yourselves.
And each other.
Bye.
Bye.